Now, what new partnership is being worked out between your ministry and the Nigerian Stock Exchange?
When you look at the Nigerian setting today, you would see that getting local banking system to provide the level and the type of financing that the power sector needs in order to advance, power sector being a very long-term investment project, is not going to be easy. Going to the capital market is going to make it much easier for these companies to access the cheapest possible funding, having all Nigerians involved, growing the economy in a sense, strengthening the already growing middle class we have in the country today, making people create more wealth for themselves, as well as strengthening the power sector through generation, transmission, and distribution of electricity.
What are the challenges and opportunities of this new partnership?
Well, I see very healthy partnership. Challenges are what the Bureau of Public Enterprises considered and decided to step down the issue of these new companies going to the capital market, because nobody wants a situation where you come and buy an asset that is dirt cheap, so to say, strip the asset naked, and then take the chaff and sell to the entire public. That would be fraudulent. So the BPE decided to foreclose that and prevent that from happening by giving a limit of 5 years. But eventually, very soon you say that 1 year is passed. That is not actually cast in concrete. It can be reviewed. Once the transition electricity market kicks in and the market stabilizes, this whole issue will be redressed, because all over the world, especially developed countries of the world, you see the capital market funding utilities. Government is withdrawing, so floating of bonds and so on might not be the best way to really grow this, but the capital market must be there, because it's a veritable tool to grow any utility anywhere in the world.
Now, when do you foresee the listing of the first power company on the Nigerian Stock Exchange?
Within 2 to 3 years, yes. I can see that happening in 3 years' time. I can see that happening. But if we are able to redo our thinking, look at the model, see things working, it's very possible that the National Council on Privatization may redress this issue of 5 years and allow a quicker time than that.